Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 10 Best Tankless Water Heater Review in 2023.
Top 1.
Rinnai RU160 IP Condensing Tankless Hot Water Heater, 9 GPM, Propane, Indoor Installation. Endless hot water, enjoy unlimited hot water flow throughout the house, compact, durable, and easy to install, professional installation recommended. Energy and space efficient, space-saving design conserves energy as it heats only when necessary. Optimal water pressure, up to 9 GPM hot water flow rate for a powerful, constant stream. Instant heating, equipped with CIRC logic pair with an external pump to reduce wait time for hot water via scheduled or on-demand recirculation. Guaranteed to last, 15-5, and 1 year residential for heat exchanger, labor, and parts, respectively. Wi-Fi monitoring.
Top 2.
Rinnai RL94 in Non-Condensing Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater, Indoor Installation, up to 9.8 GPM and 3/4 IPSLFEXPE2 with PRV tankles. Product 1, Original Design, Tankless Hot Water Heater. CIRC logic technology offers recirculation patterns that match your habits. For the latest in non-condensing technology that speeds up service and installation, check out our new Rheem 180 in model. Product 1, never run out of hot water with this compact tankless gas water heater. Non-condensing tankless hot water heater from Rinnai is only the size of a small suitcase and fits in a wide variety of spaces, but provides up to 9.8 GPM, 6 fixtures at once. Product 1, Smart, durable design, includes 12, 5- and 1 year residential guarantee and 5- and 1 year commercial factory warranty for heat exchanger, labor, and parts, respectively. See control room module for Wi-Fi control, not included.
Top 3.
Eemax EEM24027 Electric Tankless Water Heater, Blue, and EEM24018 Electric Tankless Water Heater, Blue. Product 1, Tankless Water Heater provides a continuous supply of hot water and only heats the water you need, when you need it. Product 1, Breaker, 3x40 amp double pole breakers. Product 1, wire gauge required, 3x8 AWG. Product 1, compact size saves valuable storage space. Product 2, tankless water heaters provide a continuous supply of hot water and only heats the water you need, when you need it. Product 2, instant, consistent and endless hot water. Product 2, the most advanced, self-modulating technology, available, meaning the unit will adjust how much energy needs to be input based on how much hot water is needed.
Top 4.
Rinnai CU199 in natural gas condensing tankless hot water heater, 11 GPM. Energy and space efficient, space-saving design conserves energy as it only heats when necessary. Multiple venting options offer installation flexibility. Optimal water pressure, high-performance 11 GPM hot water flow rate for a powerful, constant stream. Instant heating, CIRC logic technology enables recirculation patterns that coincide with your typical habits. Wi-Fi monitoring creates hot water on demand. Guaranteed to last, 8-5- and 1-year commercial warranty for heat exchanger, parts, and labor, respectively.
Top 5.
Rheem Prestige High Efficiency 9.5 GPM Indoor Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater. Hot water without the weight or the waste. Low operating cost, high energy efficiency and water savings setting. Space savings compact, space saving design. Perfect for a tank replacement. Water and gas leak detection will shut down unit and provide an error code. For use indoor only, Rheem Prestige High Efficiency 9.5 GPM Indoor Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater.
Top 6.
Rheem Prestige Condensing Tankless Gas Indoor Natural Gas Water Heater, with built-in recirculation 10.0 GPM RTGHRH10 DVLN. Hot water without the weight or the waste. Low operating cost, high energy efficiency and water savings setting. Space savings compact, space saving design. Perfect for a tank replacement. Water and gas leak detection will shut down unit and provide an error code. Auto-learn programming tracks water usage over a period of time and auto-programs to meet hot water needs at peak times. Top 7. Rheem RTGH95 DVLP2 Tankless Water Heater, Gray. Exclusive water savings technology conserving up to 100 gallons per year. 199,900 BTU, gas consumed per hour. Exclusive hot start programming minimizes cold water burst by staying in ready fire state. Recirculation pump ready kid ready. For use indoor only Rheem RTGH95 DVLP2 indoor liquid propane tankless gas water heater. Top 8. Takagi TH3JDV and Condensing High Efficiency Natural Gas Indoor Tankless Water Heater, 6.6 gallon per minute. Endless hot water, on-demand usage, compact, space-saving, energy conservation. Computerized safety features, no pilot light to have to worry about. Satisfies the 2012 SCOTT Rule 1146.2 for ultra-low NOx emissions with gas inputs of 160,000 BTU. The TH3J can produce enough hot water for 2 bathrooms in warmer climates or 1.5 baths in colder climates. With gas inputs of 160,000 BTU. The TH3J can produce enough hot water for 2 bathrooms in warmer climates or 1.5 baths in colder climates. Top 9. Bosch Thermotechnology Tronic 5000 T 30 gallon standard electric storage water heater, ES30M. Application, dimensions, 18.25 WX48H x 18.25 L. Perfect size for a maintenance closet, access closet under the stairs, crawl space. Ideal for replacement projects. Durability, 2 magnesium anode rods for extra tank protection. Dielectric heat trap. Heavy gauges steel tank for extra years of trouble-free service. Glass-lined steel tank to help prevent corrosion. Warranty, 10-year tank, and parts limited warranty. Efficiency, HFO foam. Top 10. Rheem RTGH84 DVLN2 Natural Gas Condensing Tankless Water Heater, Silver, Gray, and 3M Aqua Pure Whole House Scale Inhibition Inline Water System AP430SS. Product 1, Hot water without the weight or the waste. Product 1, Low operating cost, high energy efficiency and water savings setting. Product 1, Space savings, compact, space-saving design. Perfect for a tank replacement. Product 1, water and gas leak detection will shut down unit and provide an error code. Product 2, helps inhibit scale, polyphosphates, included in this product bind calcium and magnesium hardness minerals, preventing them from becoming a solid to help reduce the buildup of mineral scale in pipes and water using appliances. Product 2, helps protect hot water heaters, extend the life of water using appliances such as water heaters, clothes washers, and dishwashing machines.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.